Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on iPad. Begin by installing a compatible iOS emulator and transferring legally obtained game files to your iPad. Next, enable necessary permissions and trust developer profiles if using sideloaded apps. Verify touch controls and calibrate sensitivity for smooth play. Finally, back up your saves regularly and close background apps to keep performance stable and battery use efficient. Configure controls by assigning on-screen buttons to match the original layout and test movement responsiveness before playing a long session. Lower resolution and limit frame rate if your iPad heats up or drains quickly, which improves stability. Turn off background refresh and notifications to prevent interruptions. Regularly export save files to cloud storage so you can recover progress across devices and avoid losing hours of gameplay from unexpected crashes or updates. To maximize performance, free up RAM by closing background apps and clear temporary files before launching the emulator. If supported, connect a wired or Bluetooth controller for better accuracy in battles and navigation. Monitor your iPad temperature and avoid intensive settings if it becomes hot, as thermal throttling can reduce frame rates. Finally, update the emulator when safe, and read community notes about optimal settings for your iPad model to get the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.